What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos here on my channel. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell button so you get notification that I upload the new videos and you don't miss anything. Today, we are going to do a simple, beautiful, elegant updo. But what's cool about this updo, and a little twist, we are gonna change it to do different looks. So we're gonna do one updo, one twist, and then it's gonna turn another look. It's gonna take less than 10 minutes. How we're gonna do it, how we're gonna achieve this look, let's go and start the video step by step. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we are going to put some heat protection on the hair, and want to focus on from the mid shaft to the end because this is the weakest part of the hair. So we're gonna spray like few sprays like this. Okay, protect the hair and brush it. So now, protecting the hair. Now we are gonna add some weaviness. I want a little bit more extra weaviness to the hair, and we're gonna start doing it. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some movement to the hair, and I'm gonna do twist technique with the flat iron to just create some curl in the hair. Nothing crazy, nothing complicated, very simple, very easy. And as you see right now, I'm not doing anything fancy, anything complicated. Just twist technique with a flat iron to create some curls. And this is going to be the first step. As I said, this updo, very simple, easy, and you're gonna do one twist in the end and you're gonna change it to a second look in really 1 minute. So watch till the end. If you like my videos, as I said, give me this love, put like on my video so it goes more viral to other viewers and everybody enjoy the look and get benefits from this technique. So now we finished. What I'm going to do, combing with wide teeth comb the hair, nothing crazy, as I said. After I comb it, now I'm going to section the hair from the bottom, and look, I'm gonna create this V shape. You see this V? From the side of the head to the nape area, and look from the other side to the nape, and I'm creating this V shape. After that, I have two bobby pin and elastic together. So what we're gonna do here, we are gonna create our ponytail first and brush the hair, comb it to get this clean, beautiful section. After that, we are going to use this two bobby pins connected to elastic I just showed you, and we are going to create or set our ponytail. So after we did that, I put a little bit of cream on my hand, just a little bit, to add some moisture to the hair. So I add some shine on the top of the hair, and if there is any frizziness, to get rid of the frizziness. Here I'm just shaping the ponytail, a little bit volume, shape it, give it a nice look, and give it this beautiful S shape. And we are gonna spray it a little bit, just a little bit. This piece you can get it from Amazon or any shop sell hair products. Definitely they have this little piece. So we are gonna put it on the left side of the head, and I'm gonna take this section, put it through it, and then look what I'm going to do. I'm gonna pull this little piece down to go through the hair. I'm going to do the same exact things on the other side. I'm gonna put it on the right side and take the left section, and I'm gonna let it go through it and pull this little piece I'm using down, and here we go. Boom. Very easy, very simple, very elegant, and you can wear it everywhere. Now I'm doing one bobby pin just to secure the section so I make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Here I'm spraying a little spray to get rid of any frizziness, if I see any frizziness, and use the tail of the comb and go with the hair flow so you don't add any frizziness. Now I'm creating some texture in the hair. Look how I'm pulling the hair, pulling it just gently, very little bit. Look how I'm using my left hand just to create this beautiful texture on the top. Pull very gently, take your time, do not rush, so you get very nice, beautiful, elegant result. So we keep going all the way to the other side, and as I said, take your time and don't rush, because this this updo doesn't take anyway more than 10 minutes, believe me, not even 10 minutes, and you're done. So you don't need to go to a salon to do this updo, you can do at home. So this is a few accessories, you can buy them from any hair store, and you can add it to the hair, just a little piece here and there. It adds more elegant look, more classiness, a little more beautiful, and just it takes it to another level. So here we go, and bomb. Look how easy is that. Look how sexy, how elegant, how easy, how beautiful this updo, and didn't take anything. Bomb. Look how gorgeous is that. To create the second look, so this is look number one. To create a second look, very easy, very simple. Take this ponytail. Yes, you see this movement I did? I comb it from the bottom to give it some volume. I do this little twist and clip it in. Very simple. This little twist, clip it in, and now we have another look. Yes, fluff it out like you're using the bun, what you call it, the donuts. If you don't have the donuts, you don't need the donuts, you can do it without the donuts. And here we go, I'm just secured with bobby pin from the side. Make sure to hide the bobby pin, and I'm doing it on the other side. And what is that? This is another updo. So in 10 minutes you can get two different looks of updos. How gorgeous is that? How easy, how simple. As I said, if you like my videos, like them, share them, and let me know what you think, and I see you in another video, and ciao for now.